Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now I'm here to tell you that the property markets in Puglia and Calabria and even Tuscany are white hot right now, especially Calabria and Puglia. We got back to Mola. There's just been so many new people coming in. It's a wonderful community. It's still a wonderful community, but there's a lot more activity than we've seen. And we've seen our engineer all over the place with people pointing up at houses and actually showing our house, which we love too. So anyway, these are really hot markets, and for that reason, I'm showing you this beautiful apartment slash condo in San Nicola Arcella. This is a really nice one that I liked when I saw it, because so many times these things are just cookie cutter cutouts. They're poorly laid out. There's a lot of things that you would have to change or fix to make it truly comfortable in these smaller apartments. This one's 60 square meters. But the way it's laid out, you have a feeling of space. And it has a terrace with spectacular sea views, which really gives you more of a feeling of space. This one has two good-sized bedrooms. I love the way the kitchen is laid out. I love the way that the interior space is laid out. And I love the terrace. So take a look, you guys.